Hello students, are you still playing? Did you forget our classes have begun after our vacation? Listen, the school bell rang. Come quickly, let's go to the classroom. Let's study together. Hearty welcome all my dear students. I'm so excited to see all your faces again. And I want to welcome all my kids to the next level of your academics. Let's learn new things and of course have some fun. Shall we start our class? Okay. Okay students, in the beginning of our video, how many of you heard the school bell rang? Yes, you all heard, right? Okay, do you remember the school days when you heard that school bell? Anyway, I remember our good old days and I miss you all so much. But what to do? Let's enjoy our online learning. Okay, students. Okay, in our school, the school bell rang several times in a day for making the beginning of the day, for the assembly, for different periods, for the snacks break, for the lunch break. And which one is your favorite school bell? Yes, it will be the last long bell, after which you all go back to your homes. So students, how we know it's time for lunch, it's time for the next period and it's time for the school dispersal? Yes, it's on the basis of the time. And how can we know the time? Very good. The clock shows us the time. You all know that, right? All of us have a clock in our house, in our school and everywhere, in every institutions, we can see the clock. And most of the people also wear watches to know the time, right? So, a clock or a watch shows us the time. So, in today's class, we are going to study about time and the clock. Are you ready, students? Okay. So, students, this is a clock and this is our class clock. Okay, we are going to study about the clock using this one. Okay, so let me explain you about this clock. This is a clock and it has some numbers on it. It has some hands on it. Okay, so which are the numbers written on this clock? Can you say the numbers on this clock? Yes, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, the numbers from 1 to 12 can be seen in a clock. Okay. Now, you may wonder why the numbers from 1 to 12 is written on the clock. Why it is not from 10 to 22 or 10, 11, 12 and so on. Okay, there is a reason behind it. Listen students, in a day we have 24 hours. In a day, one day we have 24 hours. Okay, and in 24 hours our day is separated into daytime and nighttime. So this 24 hours is classified into 12 hours daytime and 12 hours nighttime. We all know this, right? We all know our day is divided into day and night. Okay. And 12 hours are daytime and 12 hours are nighttime. So, to indicate this time, we are using the number 1 to 12 on our clock. Okay, now you can see some hands on this clock, right? Except the numbers, we can see some hands on it. How many hands are there? How many hands you can see in this clock? 1, 2, 3. Yes, we can see 3 hands. And this is a short hand. And this is a long hand and this is the thin hand. Okay, so we have 3 hands on a clock. The short hand, the long hand and the thin hand. The short hand indicates the hours. Okay, so I will write it on the board. the shorthand indicate the shorthand indicate what? Shorthand indicate hours. And what about this long hand? The long hand. Listen. The long hand. It indicates minutes. Okay. The long hand indicates minutes. So, the short hand is known as hour hand. It indicates hours and it is known as hour hand. And the long hand is indicating the minutes. Okay, so it is known as minute hand. So, listen carefully. This is the short hand. It is also known as hour hand. This is the long hand. It is also known as minute hand. And what about this thin hand? It shows the seconds. Okay, the seconds on a clock. So, it is known as the seconds hand. So, these are the three hands on a clock. Hour hand, minute hand and second hand. Okay, students. Now, students, I am going to draw one clock on the board. You also take your notebooks and draw one clock. Okay. Now, I am going to draw one clock like this. For that, I am drawing a big circle. It's not a perfect circle, but draw a big circle. And on the middle of it, mark a point. Okay. So, this is the center of the circle. Okay, students. Okay. Now, we have to write the numbers of the clock. So, let's start with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, this is my clock. I draw a circle. Then write the numbers from 1 to 12 in order. Okay. Now what we are going to draw? Yes, you all know the clock need the different needles or the different hands. I am drawing the short hand. Which one is the short hand? Which is the hour hand. Now I am drawing the long hand. Okay. So, the long hand should draw little longer than the short hand. Okay. Then only we can understand the difference between hour hand and the minute hand. So, this is the hour hand. And the long one is the minute hand. And what is time now? Do you know what is time now? The hour hand is on 3 and the minute hand is on 12. What is the time now? This is 3 o'clock. Okay. We can write 3 o'clock like this. 3 o'clock. This is how the 3 o'clock can be written. So, this is a basic clock with the numbers 1 to 12 and the 2 hands. And this clock shows 3 o'clock. And what about this one? What is the time on this clock? The hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12. What is time now? Yes, this is 5 o'clock. We have to mention the time according to the hour hand. Okay. So, this is 5 o'clock. How can we write 5 o'clock? Write 5. Then put 2 dots. 0, 0. O'clock. 5 o'clock. Is it clear, students? Now, all of you draw a clock with 9 o'clock. All of you draw in your notebook a clock with 9 o'clock. How can we draw that? I will show you how to draw it. You also draw it in your notebooks. Okay. So, this is the clock round. Now, mark the numbers from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so point the middle of the circle. Now look students, 12 and 6 are in same line. If we draw a line by connecting the numbers, it will be on same line. 12 and 6 are in same line. 9 and 3 should be in same line. So the numbers should be written on this order. 12 and 6 on the same line. 9 and 3 on the same line. Okay, now let's draw 9 o'clock. For drawing the 9 o'clock, we have to first point the hour hand to 9. So the short hand, that is the hour hand to 9. Now the long hand, that is the minute hand to 12. Okay, so this is 9 o'clock. Okay, is it clear students? Let's learn more about clocks in the coming classes. But before winding up the class, you have a small activity to complete. In our board, we have some shapes. How many shapes are there in our board? How many shapes are there in our today's class board? Okay, so all of you find out the number of shapes and send me in WhatsApp. Catch you in the next class. Bye.